Chapter 3 Input and Output Devices. Learning Objectives. Input devices. Output devices. You must have seen the different parts of a computer. As you already know, a computer has two major components: input devices and output devices. Devices such as keyboard, mouse, joystick, microphone, and scanner are called input devices. We enter data into the computer with the help of input devices. Devices such as printer, monitor, and speakers are called output devices. We get output through these devices. Input and output devices are collectively known as peripheral devices. Peripheral devices are of two types: external and internal. Mouse, keyboard, printer, and monitor are external peripheral devices. CD-ROM drive and internal modem are internal peripheral devices. Let us learn about some input and output devices in detail. Input devices. You know that the data we feed into a computer and the instructions that we give to a computer are called input. The devices used to enter data, instructions into a computer are called input devices. Let us learn more about these devices. You have already learnt about some input devices in earlier classes. Let us learn about some more input devices. Keyboard. A keyboard is an input device used to enter data and instructions into the computer by typing. It has keys similar to that of a typewriter. A keyboard has different sets of keys to perform various operations. Mouse. A mouse is another commonly used input device. It is a pointing that is moved by hand on a flat surface. A ball underneath rolls as the mouse moves across the mouse pad. The cursor on the screen follows the motion of the mouse. Joystick. The joystick is a pointing device. It is mainly used for the playing games on a computer. The joystick consists of a stick that can be rotated in different directions to control the movement of objects on the computer screen. Touch screen. A touch screen is a screen that is sensitive to human touch. You can interact with the computer by touching pictures or words on the screen. Some ATMs and mobile phones have touch screens. Light pen. A light pen is a pen-shaped pointing device. It is connected to the monitor. Light pens are used to draw directly on the screen. You can select objects on the screen by pointing at them with the pen. Light pen is mostly used by architects, engineers, and designers. Microphone. Voice can be input into the computer through a microphone. The microphone can be used along with speech recognition software to input information into the computer. Scanner. A scanner helps to scan an image or printed text and convert it into digital images. It is used to input graphic information into the computer. There are different types of scanners. Flatbed scanner. A flatbed scanner has a flat surface on which the document or picture to be scanned is placed. Barcode reader or barcode scanner. A barcode reader or barcode scanner is a handheld scanner used to read barcodes printed on the labels and items. Output devices. Output is the result of the processing performed by the computer. Output devices displays the information and result in an understandable way. They let the computer talk to us. You have already learnt about some output devices in earlier classes. Let us learn about some more output devices. Monitor. A monitor is very important output device. It is also called Visual Display Unit or VDU. Without it, we will not be able to see what we are doing. The output that we see on the monitor is called soft copy. There are two types of monitors. CRT monitor. A CRT or cathode ray tube monitor looks like a television set. It is not used much these days as it is bulky. TFT LCD monitor. TFT LCD or thin film transistor liquid crystal display monitor is thinner and lighter than a CRT monitor. This monitor also displays sharper images and uses less power than CRT monitors. Laptops have LCD monitors. Printer. A printer provides information on paper. The printer copy of the output that we get from the printer is known as hard copy. There are different types of printers. A dot matrix printer is not used much nowadays as the output is of low quality. It is cheap but very noisy. It is used when carbon copies need to be made, such as for printing salary slips. An inkjet printer is faster than a dot matrix printer. The print quality is also much better. It can print both in black and in color. A laser printer produces very high quality output. It does not make any noise and works very fast. It is more expensive than dot matrix and inkjet printers. Plotter. A plotter gives a hard copy of the output. It draws pictures on paper using a pen. Plotters are used to print designs of ships and machines, plans for buildings, and so on. Speaker. A speaker is an output device that allows you to hear sound from the computer. Speakers come in different shapes and sizes. Keywords. Keyboard. An input device used to type data and instructions into the computer. Mouse. A pointing device that is moved by hand on a flat surface. Joystick. A pointing device that can be used to move the cursor rapidly on the screen. Light pen. A device used to draw directly on the screen. Microphone. A device used to input voice into the computer. Scanner. a device used to input graphic information into the